Learn how to start your business for next to nothing. Coming up next. What's up everyone, it's Josh from the University of Verne Small Business Development Center. And here at the SBDC, we help small businesses start and grow with free one-on-one consulting and free resources just like this one. So many of our small business owners get intimidated when they're looking into opening their own small business because of the paperwork and cost involved in getting started. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 tactics to start your own small business for next to nothing so you can get started faster and cheaper. First, you need to think about what kind of small business you want to start. If you're looking to spend the least amount of money, then you may want to start a home-based service business model. Now, unlike product or retail businesses, you don't need to buy a minimum amount of inventory and keep it in your garage. This could save you several $100s in inventory costs. All you really need is a computer to do some work or write proposals and a cell phone to take calls and make appointments. You can be a blogger, a consultant, or a photographer and start with no money that you have to invest personally, provided you already have the equipment to start. Now, a lot of our small business owners look to start with fancy names, build a brand, and have a company. But if you're just starting out, you want to get going quickly, then you want to do business in your own name. You can start business using your own surname like Botello Media and not have to worry about filing those pesky FBNs or having a DBA. Doing it this way will save you $100 or more, and all you need to do is hang your shingle, as it were. All this means is that getting a $25 to $35 license, depending on where your home-based business will reside, and get started. If you found this video helpful so far, do me a favor and hit the like button down below. It really helps small business owners like you find the videos they need to get started and grow. Now that you have your business started, it's time to get some work done. Don't worry about paying for fancy software like Microsoft Office. We need to go cheap but powerful. Just grab yourself a free Gmail account to get started and all of your documents and slideshows and even some storage for your business files. Then grab yourself a free Zoom account to have a business meeting or sales presentation, and a free Calendly account to set up an automated calendar to schedule all of those calls. And once you get paid, you can then use a free program like Wave Accounting to keep track of all of that money for a business bank account once you open up and get paid. Now that you have all your operational stuff in place, you need to get customers and grow. You need to invest some time into digital marketing. Now, social media is free, but you need to pick the right platform for your type of customer. If you're a consultant, you may want to go with LinkedIn, or if you're a photographer or a creative, Instagram might be right for you. Make sure you use business accounts to track your business on your platform or advertise when the time is right. You can schedule posts in advance to save on time and actually think about strategy and your business. You can start a YouTube channel and create some educational videos, and free email marketing account from MailerLite to sell more clients for steady growth. Now you need to remember that these 4 tactics are for starting your business. As you grow, you may need robust programs, employees, or your own consultants, and invest to streamline your business and increase your growth. But let me know what kind of business that you'd like to start. Let me know down in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get updates on all of our newest videos when they go live. Are you looking to start an e-commerce or food truck business? Check out our playlist here to get multiple guides on all the common businesses you can start here in California. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.